Welcome you guys to my channel, Let's Go Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys two possible ways by which you guys can use to send money on WeChat, step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're already new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content about WeChat topic you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can send money on WeChat. So the very first way to send money on WeChat is to tap on the WeChat contact. Then you need to click on here, this plus icon. Then from the point here, you need to choose transfer. Then you need to type in the amount you are sending. Once you're done, you have to click on transfer. Then another second method to use and send money on WeChat is to click on discover. So you click on discover, it opens up in a page. Then at the point here, make sure you click on scan. Then right here, click on album. Then at the point here, you have to select your QR code. Next thing you need to do is to enter the amount you want to send and click on pay.